Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope so you all are fine. So let's get started. For starting this course, first we will see what really ecosystem means. So let's see in our daily life the ecosystem of plants or the ecosystem of animals' life. So it means the interaction of plants or animals with the environment and the effect of environment on them. Like the same thing is happening in the internet ecosystem, like different organizations are involved in creating the environment and giving me the knowledge that I want to search on internet. By learning in more details, let's see this diagram here. So this is my computer, okay, and I want to search this page, this website here, and I just typed words and I just typed on the keyboard here and I just typed the things. Okay, I just want to search this thing. I want to get some information from here. So how it happened, when I pressed enter button, the information just moved from here and just move, and then it reached them some random server and then it gets the information here. Okay, and after getting this information it just move back and just show me the result what I really want. So what happened in this, these are some certain routers and the information is like they know where the information is and just they are creating the path and they just give me back my information what I really want. But these are some different organizations available here, and these are some different organizations here. They are creating this environment and they are involving in this environment, right? This is the DNS server provider, like it mapping the location. Okay, and there are some other organizations like ANA, ICANN, and some other, and we will see each and every organization, how these organizations are working and how they are making this environment. Okay, and this is, you are seeing here, the whole protocols are like from first point to the end point, every protocols are defined. Okay, every protocols, there are, as I told you in my previous lecture, that the basic about the layers, and every layer there are some different protocols. So when we move in depth of these things, you will see the protocol is the most important thing here. So this is the complex structure of internet ecosystem. So by covering this complex structure, the internet ecosystem is divided into major 6 portions. It's naming and addressing local, national, regional, and global policy development, educational and capacity building, users, share global services and operations, open standard development. So these 6 major parts have their different roots. Every major portion has its own roots. You are seeing here, like open standard and development have different roots, and I will teach you each and every portion of these things so you can understand each and every part. If you want to create your career in networking and further move on, you will see how much this course is useful for you. So you must follow me, and till the last lecture you will understand what really the future of this networking thing. So that's all right now, and I will meet you in the next lecture. Till then, goodbye.